Hello. Hi guys. Hello. Good evening, guys. Are you there? Say yes or no.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Sorry for making you wait. I've been waiting for someone to join. As per now, you only one student has been. uh,
Only one member.
yes, yes, yes. Only one student has been joined. I was waiting for them to join.
Okay, okay, okay.
So no problem. Are you okay with this? I can go with one boy. Sharon Sai, right? Hello. Sharon, are you there?
Sir.
Uh, so will you be okay to listen my class?
Yes, sir.
Because
There,
you're the
sir.
one student.
Are you? I am audible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Little bit. Am I audible clearly?
Sir.
Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I'll
Yes, sir.
go with intro. So, welcome to the seminar Nexus. It's our online platform-based company, which will provide the technological knowledge and handset knowledge in the real-time applications. So, Charan, see, in VLSI industry, there are some certain opportunity to get into the job. See, can you able to see my screen, right? Yes, sir. No? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, Please respond me.
Can you speak some?
Yeah, you can go ahead. Go ahead. Do you want to speak something?
No, sir. No, sir. Continue, sir. Continue the class.
Okay. See, are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see.
Yeah. See, uh, I'll tested everything here. VLSI industry, very large scale integration. So it is one of the upcoming leading chip manufacturing technologies. In the sense, generally we use chips to manufacture mobile phones, computers, robotics. Now even see the AI chips, completely based on the background technological work of VLSI. And as per our concern that after completing for BTech, we need to get into some job opportunities, right? So further, I listed some job required here. See, first of all, this is our beginning class, and some students has not joined. So I'll just explain you about the VLS industry, job opportunity, and the set of skills required to get into certain jobs. I have listed some like see, design engineering job opportunities in the VLS industry. Design engineer, verification engineer. Can you see, right? Uh,
Yes,
physical
sir. I
engineer,
can see.
physical design engineer, process integration engineer, test engineer, product validation engineer, technical manager. So these are the basic profile in the VLS industry. When you go through this, it will be like you will be taken into the research and development team of certain particular company. Do you know any name of the chip manufacturing company? Just just text in the chat so that I can know.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Do you know any like chip
Uh,
manufacturing companies?
no idea, sir. But chip designing, no idea, sir.
Okay. I've seen that Intel, that laptop that you use, Intel processor, Ryzen processor.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. AM
Yeah.
processor,
Uh,
Ryzen processor. Yes.
AMD Ryzen processor, Intel, NVIDIA, Synopsys. These are the main companies to produce the internal core of the laptop or any mobile, any device, electrical devices. So to manufacture a certain chip, we need some technological skills. See, I have pasted here the hmm, see, to able to get into the village industry as a fresher, this set of knowledge must have number system, digital electronics. Now you're from
Yes,
first year or second year.
so I'm from first year.
Yeah, no problem. And appreciate that you have some certain enthusiasm to learn it. And as per the
Yes,
technology,
sir.
everybody is going side of the software, AI, machine learning, data science. But nobody is going through this like VLSI industry. But the dilemma of the present generation is that in upcoming 5 to 6 years in India, there are a lot of opportunities to get it. Three main chip manufacturing companies has been established. Two in Gujarat and one is in Assam. So definitely, if you start from now onwards, no, until completion of your fourth year, you will be like core. The advantage of the core company is that when you get into the core company, the knowledge, the skills that you have, with that they cannot change your position. In the sense, they cannot remove from the company. This is the main advantage. If you go once in a company, then you will be promoting according to your knowledge, but you never be removed from the company. Because if they can remove you from the company, definitely, obviously, you can go to other companies and you can share the knowledge, the ideas, the skills that they build. You can share them. So this kind of things not should be happen. So according to that, they will choose to keep the jobbers in their company and they'll provide promotions to learn something. They'll provide everything. So this is a set of benefit from the real company. So come back to this, the digital electronics, basic needs, number system, Boolean